I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and this is a look at installing my new First Alert smoke and carbon monoxide detector. So this is a great carbon monoxide and smoke detector you can use anywhere in your home, but especially I'm planning to use these in all of the sleeping areas of my home. So setting it up is really easy. It comes with batteries, it comes with the hardware that you need to mount it. So I'm going to go ahead and flip this over, and we're going to take the back off here just by twisting it counterclockwise. That just pops right off. Next, I'm just going to open the battery door on here. So this is the battery door. You can see it has a little pull tab on there. I'm going to go ahead and just pull that out. And then we will insert our AA batteries. You can see the directions to do that here. Once we've done that, we're just going to press the battery door back in. And you can hear that beep indicating that this is ready to go. So you want to make sure you hear that beep. That way you know that it has begun its process of sensing. Next, we're going to go and attach this to the ceiling in the location where we want to place this detector. So I'm going to situate this on the ceiling in one of my sleeping rooms. And it's very simple. We just put this up onto the ceiling, and then we're going to use the attached screws and just screw right in. I'm going to try to find a stud I can put this into on the top here. But if you're going directly into drywall, there's also some drywall anchors included that you can use. So we're just going to use a screwdriver and screw this right into the ceiling. Very simple. 2 screws just holding this in. You can see it's nice and secure now mounted into the ceiling. So our final step is we're going to take the smoke detector, and we're simply going to align the tabs on the back here with the little kind of protrusions on that mounting plate, and then we're going to spin it clockwise, and it's really less than a quarter turn to lock it in place. So there we are aligned. We're just going to give that a quick spin. You can see it's nice and secure mounted there on the ceiling, and that's how we mount and set up our First Alert smoke and carbon monoxide detector. We are mounted up on the ceiling and good to go.